Hi friends, this video is gonna be very useful for you, so don't wait. Watch this video till the end. In this video I will show you an app that will be very useful for you to learn Python programming. And so if you're interested in Python, then watch this video till the end. If you want to download this app, just go to the description of this video and click on the app link title, and you will be redirected to the Play Store. Then you can download this app. So let's start the video. After downloading this app, you can open it from your app menu like here. And now you can learn anything by just tapping on the titles shown. And I think this app will be very amazing for you to learn Python programming, because its interface is very interesting. It looks very amazing, and I too learned Python with this app, so I recommend it to use for you. And if you are a beginner, just click on this Introduction to Python title, and now you can see a lot of chapters that are for beginners. So just start from the first lesson, Introduction to the course. Introduction. Now you can learn it from beginning, so don't hesitate. Download this app and start learning Python. This is very interesting. You won't be boring using this app, so I recommend it for you. Now you can see I will suggest this app for you because here is everything you need to become an expert in Python, because here introduction and web development using Python graphics such as Turtle, etc. You will learn how to use Turtle in Python, and then decision making such as if else conditions, etc. And then GUI programming with Python, and then functions, file handling, object and class, and so on. And this app is very best. I will recommend you to use this app forever. So thanks for watching the video. Download this app and enjoy learning. Bye. See you in the next video.